Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with abusinesswithtrading.com doing a recap of our trading room for the 11th of February, Friday. Today was another fun day in the week. I took a long pre-market, jumped out for a point after the market opened, definitely saw some chop after the market opened. You know, I don't include that trade obviously in the trading room stats. You know, only trades that were entered and exited and during the room are recorded. We did watch the market buy up. It chopped around a little bit. When it hit this area, took a long right here at 1775, and could have ridden this up all the way up to 1327, which would have given 9.25 points. I ended up with 7 points. Still not bad. I did talk about short setting up somewhere in this area. I talked about it. You know, I thought this was going to come up a little bit more, so missed it. Talked about this level after the trading room was over and the recap that I do. You know, but still not a bad day. One trade for a maximum profit potential of 9.25 points, 37 ticks. You know, that's very good. That's a very good trading day for sure. That's over $400. You know, very nice day. I don't know anybody who would complain. I took 7 points out of the market. That's $350. That's not bad either. The website is www.abusinesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop by, check it out. We have a lot of fun. We do our analysis in the morning. We talk about it as the day goes by. Is it correct? Is it wrong? Do we need to change it? And after the room's over, another one. You know, so we're constantly doing analysis on the market. It's a lot of fun, especially if you're passionate about trading as I am. People in the room are. You know, it's a lot of fun to talk about trading, and everyone comes from a different background. So everyone's going to have a different perspective. You know, maybe someone's from a different country. You know, it definitely makes it a lot of fun to meet different people, talk about solely trading in the room, but then after the room's over, you know, you can talk about other things. Yeah, but it's definitely a lot of fun. Definitely a lot of fun to just discuss trading all day long. Yeah, it's like a dream. You know, trading is very fun if you're passionate about it. You learn it. You know, and then it starts becoming easy, and then it becomes even more fun. You know, you're constantly learning, so every day you have something different, and you know, you learn about yourself. You know, so you want to learn about yourself, become a trader, you're going to learn a lot about yourself, and as you become a better trader, you're going to become a better person, just because trading is so much mental. Yogi Berra once said about baseball that it was 110% mental, 10% physical. You know, obviously those numbers don't work, but he was just emphasizing how mental that game was. Trading's the same way. Trading is mostly mental, and it's in your head mental, not, you know, do I have the right system? You know, how do I, you know, what if my system does this? I want my system to do that. You know, who cares? That doesn't matter. It's mostly in your head. Once you learn about yourself, you know, the actual trading part is not hard. You know, but the learning about yourself part is where it starts to get complicated, and that's what we try to teach in the room. I have in the trading course, I have a section dedicated to psychology. After a little while, I'm probably going to make it its separate course, just because, you know, psychology is so important, and, you know, dedicating time for that is definitely important as well. So probably going to do that in the future. But anyway, one trade, it's always good to get over a couple points on one trade for sure. Definitely makes it for a great day and an end to a good week. Website again is www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check us out. Send me a message. On the upper right hand side of the website is a contact form. You want to send me a message, or just put comments below this video if you want. Also, if you enjoy these videos, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Definitely appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Have an awesome weekend. I'll see you guys back here Monday. Thank you.